Happy morning, children. Today we are going to study our next chapter, chapter 11, Algebra. You know that there are different branches for mathematics. The branch of mathematics where we use a letter to find the answer is called algebra. The branch of mathematics where we use a letter to find the answer is called algebra. The letters we use in algebra are known as variables. What is variables? The letters we use in algebra are known as variables. They can take any value. That means their value is not fixed. Letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, L, M, etc. We can use any alphabet. Now you may think why we are using these variables or what is the use of variables in our day-to-day life. First of all, they help us to write the formulas and rules in a general way. Use of variables in common rules. Let us go through some examples. We know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Using variables, we can represent it as P is equal to 2 into L plus B, where P represent perimeter of rectangle, L represent length and B represent breadth. So, using variables, we can represent the formula this way. P is equal to 2 into L plus B. Then, next example, area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Using variables, we can represent A is equal to L into B. L into B. Then, next one, perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. That is equal to 4 into S. If S represents side, we can write 4 into S. And this is same as 4S. 4 into S means 4S. Similarly, 2x means it is 2 into x. 2x means 2 into x. 3n means 3 into n. Not 3 plus n. 3n means 3 into n. Next topic, arithmetic expressions and algebraic expressions. We form expressions using the number operations. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have two types of expressions, arithmetic expressions and algebraic expressions. In arithmetic expression, we use numbers and the 4 number operations. And in algebraic expression, we use variables. They are also known as expressions with variables. We can go through some examples. Arithmetic expressions, algebraic expressions. First one, arithmetic expression. 9 into 5 minus 2 into 5. That is equal to 35. 9 5s are 45, 2 5s are 10. 45 minus 10 is 35. So, this is an example of arithmetic expression. Here we use numbers and the number operations. Then, next one, 20 by 2 is equal to 10, which is equal to 10. This is also an arithmetic expression. Then, next one, 5 into 7 plus 7 into 3 minus 3 into 5 equal to 41. Here also numbers and the basic number operations. So, this is also an example of arithmetic expression. The next one, 12 into 5 by 4 which is equal to 15. This is also an arithmetic expression. Next one, algebraic expression. Here we use variables. In algebraic expression, we use variables, numbers and the basic operations. First example, 9x minus 2x. Which is the variable here? X. Number also there. Then minus. Basic operation, number operation also there. Then next one, 20 by x. This is also an algebraic expression or an expression with a variable. Then next one, A into B plus B into C minus C into A. Here also variables are there. So algebraic expression. A into B plus B into C minus C into A. We know that A into B means AB. We can omit this multiplication sign and write it as AB plus then B into C means BC. BC minus C into A means CA. Then next one, 12 into X by 4. This is also an algebraic expression. Then 12 into X, that can be written as 12X. 12X by 4. These are the examples of algebraic expression. Now we can go through some questions. Answer the following questions using algebraic expressions. First one, Rema had rupees 120 with her. She bought a notebook for rupees X. How much money is left with her? What is the question? Rema had rupees 120 with her. She bought a notebook for rupees X. How much money is left with her? That means we have to find the balance amount. What is given? Total amount of money rupees 120. Then cost of notebook also given rupees X. We have to find the balance amount. What is the balance amount? Rupees 120 minus rupees X. Isn't it? That can be written as rupees 120 minus X. This is the corresponding algebraic expression. Next one, Meera is 1 year old. Her sister is 3 years younger to her. What is her sister's age? What is the question? Age of Meera is given. Meera's age is equal to Y. Then her sister is 3 years younger to her. Sister is 3 years younger than Meera. Then what is her sister's age? How can we write it? Sister's age is equal to Y minus 3 years. Isn't it? Sister is 3 years younger than Meera. So Meera's age is Y. So sister's age will be Y minus 3 years. Then next question. If the price of a pen is rupees P, what is the price of 20 such pens? Price of one pen is given rupees P. We have to find price of 20 such pens. Price of 20 such pens is equal to 20 into price of one pen, that is P. 20 into P. Then 20 into P, that can be written as 20P. This is the corresponding algebraic expression. Next one, 3 times a number added to 6. The given statement is 3 times a number added to 6. Here the variable is not mentioned, so we can take any alphabet. Let the number be X. 3 times a number added to 6. So, we consider our number as X. 3 times of this number added to 6. 3 times of X means 3 into X. That is 3X. Then 3 times of X added to 6. That means 3X plus 6. This is the answer. 3X plus 6. That is the corresponding algebraic expression. Next topic, terms and coefficients. Terms and coefficients. Consider the following expressions. First one, 5x. Second one, 2x minus 4y. Third one, 9a plus 3b plus 4c. 3 expressions are given here. In the first one, the expression consists of only one term. Only one term, 5x. In the second one, the expression consists of two terms, 1 two terms connected by a minus sign. Then the third one, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. The third expression consists of 3 terms connected by plus sign. So these are the examples of terms. First expression consists of only 1 term, then second one consists of 2 terms, third one consists of 1, 2, 3, 3 terms. Next topic, monomial. An algebraic expression having only one term is called a monomial. An algebraic expression having only one term. Examples, 7x, 5y, 2a. Algebraic expressions having only one term. The next one, binomial. Binomial. An algebraic expression having two terms connected by a plus or minus sign is called a binomial. Algebraic expression having two terms connected by a plus or minus sign is called a binomial. Examples, 3a minus 2b. Two terms are there connected by a minus sign. Then next one, 5x plus 7y. Next one, 2m plus 3n. These are examples of binomial. Next one, trinomial. An algebraic expression having 3 terms is called trinomial. An algebraic expression having 3 terms is called trinomial. Examples, 5a plus 2b minus 3c. Then second one, 6l minus 3m plus 2n. Third one, 7x plus 8z plus 4y. These are examples of trinomial. The next one, polynomial. Polynomial. If an algebraic expression has more than 3 terms, it is called a polynomial. What is a polynomial? If an algebraic expression has more than 3 terms, it is called polynomial. Examples, 7a plus 2b minus 3c plus 8d. Next one, 3l minus 5m plus 2n plus 6p. So what is polynomial? An algebraic expression having more than 3 terms. Next topic, coefficients. Consider the following expressions. First one, 4ab. Second one, 5x. In 4ab, 4a and b are the factors of 4ab. We know that 4ab means it is 4 into a into b. So 4a and b are the factors of 4ab. Similarly, in 5x, 5 and x are the factors of 5x. 5 and x are the factors of 5x. Also, we can say that 5 is the coefficient of x in 5x. 5 is the coefficient of x in 5x and 4 is the coefficient of ab in 4ab. 5 is the coefficient of x in 5x and 4 is the coefficient of ab in 4ab. So what do you mean by coefficient? Any factor of a product is the coefficient of the remaining factors. Any factor of a product is the coefficient of the remaining factors. Next topic, constants and variables. You know what is a variable, right? Then what is a constant? In any polynomial, numbers are constants and the letters are variables. In any polynomial, the numbers are constants and the letters or the alphabet we use are variables. The coefficients of the variables are taken along with the sign. Coefficients of the variable are taken along with the signs. That means, for example, in 5a plus 4b minus 3c, one algebraic expression, 5a plus 4b minus 3c. Here 5, 4 and minus 3 are the coefficients of a, b and c respectively. We have to take the coefficients of the variables along with their signs. Simply if we write 5 means it is positive number 5 or plus 5. Okay. Simply if we write 5 means it is positive number 5. Then 4 also plus sign, so 4. Then minus 3, so minus 3. About positive number and negative numbers you will study in higher classes. Now you just understand this much only. The coefficients of the variables are taken along with the signs. Okay, so here 5, 4 and minus 3 are the coefficients of A, B and C respectively. Then which are the constant terms? 5, 4 and minus 3 numbers are the constants, and which are the variables? A, B and C. A, B, C are the variables.